What is up guys, today I am going to try to download csTimer Plus, which was released 4 months ago if I remember it correctly. So we will try downloading that in Mozilla Firefox. There are many videos out there about how to download it on Google Chrome, but we are going to try it on Firefox. So be sure to smash that like button and turn that red subscribe button into grey, because red means dangerous. So be sure to turn that red colored subscribe button into grey. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, now we will type csTimer Plus, or you can type csTimer dot plus. I will just type csTimer dot plus. Okay, it is loading. Okay, what they are saying is your favorite timer still doesn't celebrate your PB. Okay, don't hesitate. Add new inspection voice scrambling functions, a new and improved design, and much more. So we'll click on give csTimer a plus, but if you hover your this mouse, so you can see the preview. It looks really nice. So I will just click here, give csTimer plus. Okay, I think it is opening. Yeah, I knew it was gonna open this. So I don't know, I guess I changed the language. I'll just quickly change the language and come back. Okay guys, I don't know what happened to my Mozilla Firefox, but I'm just gonna type here, instead of csTimer plus, I will type here Mozilla extensions. Okay, we will open this. Okay, nice, it is in English now. And I will type here csTimer plus. I think this is Matthews. Okay, this is the thing. Gives csTimer.net a plus. This add-on is not okay. I'll just click here, add to Firefox. Okay, it is loading. Okay, now I'll just add this. I'll just do okay, got it. Now I'll try to open csTimer. There we go. Wow. csTimer plus, give csTimer a plus. Welcome to brand new experience inside csTimer. Thank you for installing our extension. We know that you just want to solve, but don't worry, you will only see this message once. Since you are new here, what about using right away some of the fresh new features we have been cooking? Feature configuration. Okay, there is given use modern UI. Okay, I will select yes, because see this looks very nice. Okay, use WC inspection. Yes, I need this. Use new inspection voices. I will keep it on yes. The new voices of Sean Speedcube review, I think. Okay, I'll scroll, nothing is here. I'll just click OK. Okay, okay, this is not my PV. I don't know. Okay, sometimes, okay, I will delete this all because my PV is 9.57. Okay, nice. Okay, let's just try out some of the features. Okay, wow. Now if you hover over this first letter, it will show here how much is scramble. Means if L, it shows L prime D2. Now means if you scramble till this, and if you hover your mouse cursor on that letter, it will show you how the cube will be scrambled till that move. Means like it is now on F2. So this is like this. Here you will see how the cube looks after scrambling to these 3 moves. Okay, so we will just check other features. Okay, this is same. Okay, this is nice. Yeah, this is same. Okay, nothing different. Okay, we will see here if here are some. Okay, no, I don't see this. Okay, let's just check options. Global hide all elements when timing, use milliseconds time from. Okay, I guess the global section is pretty much same. We'll check in display. Okay, now here you can see UI design style csTimer plus, but if you like the old style you can do this normal. It will show you the old one. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, here it is. If you go in display and here is UI design is normal. I will just choose material design. I don't know what it is. Normal with shadows. Material design with shadows. Okay, I like the csTimer plus new design. It's really pog. Okay, UI style is auto. Okay, scramble panel, display size normal, tools panel. Okay, everything is same, I guess. Timer size. Okay, I don't know if we were able to change it before or not. Okay, I will just keep it 20. Then I will go in timer. Use mouse timer. I don't want that. WC inspection always. Use voice alert of WC. Okay, now here you can see. Okay, there are many here. Now here lights, camera, cubing. I don't know who this is, but I know OLOR, speed cube review, TINGMAN. OLOR is daughter of TINGMAN, so we will just check this. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, there we go. That was the voice of OLOR. Okay, now let's just check of TINGMAN. Okay, that was really nice. Haha. Wow, pretty nice. I love.
You just beat the current world record. Either you cheated or you're ridiculously amazing. Let's go with that one.
Holy crap, that's really nice. I'll do.
Congratulations. You just beat the current world record. Either you cheated or you're ridiculously amazing. Let's go with that one.
Okay, that's what that voice comes every time, so that's kind of thing which I didn't liked. But okay, that's pretty nice. I love that TINGMAN. Now let's check of lights, camera, cubing. Okay.
8 seconds.
Wow, pretty nice. But I don't know who this guy is. But I love his voice. Wow. Okay, now let's just check out speed cube review or Sean. Okay. Wow. I loved his voice. Nice. Okay, voice volume. Entering times with timer. Okay, they haven't added any new feature. Unit when entering. Okay, that doesn't. Okay, nice. Multi-phase. Stackman reduce voices on blindfold. Okay, I guess that is pretty much like that. I'll just check colors. I'll just. Wow! There are so many themes here. I'll just check. Before it was till solarized light. Okay, this was. Okay, that was not how it looked before, but we will check out the new plus dark. Okay, plus dark looks like this. Plus light. Okay, it looks like this. So much light. Plus Veen. Okay, pretty nice. Color plus BioCube. Wow, nice. I love this. Okay, I'm removing this background image. By the way, if you want to see how I added this background image, click on the iCard. I'll just put here. And let's just check the other last. Wow, this really looks so nice. Okay, I love this new csTimer plus things. But if you keep on TINGMAN'S voice, it will say like you got a new PB and all, but it will say many times, means like if I do two solves means if I want to show someone that we can do this, so we will probably stop the timer very fastly. So like it will do the things which I showed you, so I don't want that. So here you can see I did 2052 solves. Okay, let's just don't mind that thing. Okay, this is nice. I will change the theme. It's pretty nice, but I want to change that. Okay, I will just remove the background image and we will see how does it look. Color, display, background image. Wow, they added a new feature, upload. Wow, this is the best thing. I love this in csTimer Plus. Wow, now it's now instead of just doing this and this, you can just download image, click where, okay, click here. Wait a minute. Okay, what are you saying? Unlock a special theme by redeeming the code. Okay, they are saying something like this. RGB. I will just do it in a moment. Okay, let's just do Shift C. Shift plus C. Redeem code. What is it? Redeem code. Incorrect code. Okay, never mind. csTimer. Okay, wow, they added new features here. Keyboard shortcuts, everything you can see. Wow, I'm not going to read this. But color scheme. Wow, I love this one. Holy crap, so nice. I'm removing the background image. Okay, display. Background image, it says uploaded, but I will select none. Wow, this really looks so nice. I will try out some of the new images on Google, and if I love some of them, I will just use it on csTimer's background. But okay, that is pretty much it. This is the new csTimer Plus. I really loved this, and thank you so much for watching, and I will meet you in the next video.